Hello, good morning to everyone once more. Today we are going to start our exercise 2.4, question number 7. Up to question number 6, we have already finished it. Now question number 7. You can see on board question number 7. Dinesh went from place A to place B. A to B and from there to be place C. Dinesh first went from A to B, then B to C. And A is 7.5 kilometer from B. Yes, it means distance between A and B is 7.5 kilometer and B to C is 12.7 kilometer. One more, his friend Ayub went from place A to D. Ayub went A to D and D to place C. D to C. D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. We have to find who traveled more. Who traveled more? So what we will do? First we will find total distance traveled by total distance covered or traveled, you can write, okay. Total distance covered by Dinesh. What is total distance? I am writing here. Total distance is covered by Dinesh. Dinesh is went from A to B. So AB plus B to C. It is the distance traveled by Dinesh. So you can add 7.5 plus 12.7 and everyone know how to add two decimal numbers. Always we will write decimal in same line. So it means it is this one and this one. You can add 7 plus 5, 12. 1 is carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10 and it is your answer. Okay, what is 20.2? 20.2 kilometer distance covered by Dinesh. Now we will find how much distance covered by his friend Ayub. So we will write total distance covered by Ayub. How much, dear Ayub went A to B. No, what is given? Ayub is went A to D. So it means AD plus DC. You can find. I am writing here. Okay. Now AD is how much? 9.3 plus 11.8. Add again. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 is carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 again carry. 20.1 kilometer. So tell me who, in the question we have to find who traveled more. So it is 20.2, it is 20.1. So who traveled more? Dinesh. So right? Dinesh traveled more than Ayub. Okay, Ayub. But in question we have to find how much. How will you find? Suppose I have 10 rupees, you have 8 rupees. So I have more rupees than you, and how much? So we will subtract 10 minus 8. So 2 rupees is more. So how will write? To write more distance traveled by Dinesh. How much? 20.2 minus 20.1. And now we will write 2 minus 1, 0, 0. So 0.2 0.1 kilometer distance covered by Iowa is more. It is your answer. Now everyone read question number 8. Now question number 8 dear. Shyama bought, there is again two more friends. Shyama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples, 3 kg and 250 gram mangoes, and her friend Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? It's very simple dear. I think you can do yourself. You have only add. First we will found total number of fruits bought by Shyama and how much fruit bought by Sarla. Then we will compare it. Look at, so write quantity of apples. Quantity of apples bought by Shyama. How much? Shyama. How much? 5 kg 300 gram. So you can write in decimal also. 5 kg mean 5 plus change gram in kilogram, because always we will write both are in gram or both in kg. So 300 gram, everyone know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, and we want to change 300 gram in kg. So first we will find 1 gram, 1000 another side, divide, it is kg. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So 300 gram multiply by 3. So you can write 5 plus 300 into 1 by 1000. Okay, and you can write 5 plus, so it's become 0.300 kg. So how much? It's become 5.300 kilogram. So you have to write like this one. So now we will write 5.30 kg. So how much apples bought by Shyama? 5.300 kg. Same as it is quantity of bananas. Quantity of bananas bought by Shyama. How much? Banana 3 kg and 250 gram. So how much? 3.250 kg. Yes, everyone know. Dear, you can write it 5.300. You can write it 5.3 kg also. If we add in last 0, then it is, our answer is not a change. The quantity is not a change. Now same as it is, we will find now total quantity bought by Shyama. Can you find? So you will add them. What is 0, 5, 5 and 8 kg. Understand it? Now same as it is, can you find how much quantity bought by Sarla? Sarla, you will write same as it is. Quantity of bananas bought by Sarla. It is how much? 4 kg. 4 kg 800 gram. So how much? 4.800 kg. Now same as how much bananas bought by 4 kg 150 gram. So 4.150 kg. Now 0, 5, 9, 8. So tell me, who bought more? It is 8, same digit. It is 5, it is 9. So who bought more? Sarla bought more. So same as it is, you can, in last you will write one line only. Who bought more fruits? So you will write Sarla bought more fruits. Understand it? Now question number 9. How much less? Question number 9. How much less? Yes. Question number 9. How much less is 28 kilometer to than 42.6 kilometer? How much less? It's very simple. How much less? Suppose we are taking one example full. I have 10 rupees. You have 3 rupees. So how much rupees you have less than me? So total my rupees minus 10 minus 3. So how much less? 7 rupees. Same as it is we will find. How much less? 42.6 minus 28. Okay. You will do yourself 42.6. So always now 28 decimal in same line. 0 you can. Now you subtract it. Do yourself question number 9 also. Now we'll do next exercise 2.6. Now we will learn how to multiplication of decimal number. Till now we already know how to multiply the numbers. But now we will learn how to multiply decimals. Look at everyone. How to multiply it. 4 into 2, 8. But where we will put decimal? You will observe that here is only one digit. So you will write 0.8. No, it is wrong. Why? What we will do in this case? Look at 0.2 multiply 0.4. 2. First we remove decimal. 2 divide by, remove decimal. 2 divide by 10. 0.4. Remove decimal. 4 by 10. Now, so 2 into 4, 8. And 10 into 10, 100. And how many 0 in denominator? 2. Therefore, after decimal, there is 2 digit. 1 it is decimal, 1 digit. 0 and 1 is 8. It is your answer it. Next is one more example. Multiply 0.05 into 0.6. We observe that 0.2 into 0.4. There is a one decimal. In last, after decimal, how many digit? 2. But here we observe that after in one number, after decimal there is 2 digit, but in one number there is only a 1 digit. So what we will do dear now? So we will do like this one. So everyone know 6 into 5, 30. So what is answer? Answer is 0.30. Look at it is wrong. Why? Look at first we will remove decimal. 5 divide by 100. 6 divide by 10. 5 multiply by 6. 30. And 100 into 10. 1000. Now we will observe how many 0 in denominator? 3. So therefore after decimal there is 3 digit. 1 is 0. Now 3. Now 0. Understand it? What you can conclude from here? What you can guess from these two questions? We observe that here the after decimal how many digit we will come? We will observe after decimal how many digit? Here 1, here is also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So after decimal how many digit? 2. Now we will observe here how many digit after decimal? 2. And here 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So always remember dear, whenever we multiply two decimal numbers, so after how many digit decimal will come? We will add the numbers. We will count after decimal how many digit. Here also we will count after decimal how many digit, and there we will add their digit. How many numbers times their digit, we will add them. One more example you can take dear. Look at where is one more. Look at what is 2.134 multiply 0.0089. How many digit? 1, 2, 3. 3 and here 4 digit. So after decimal how many digit? After decimal how many digit will come? There is 7. So you can write it here. It is in very small number in 2. So you will multiply direct. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. And how many 0? 3 plus 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And decimal, now 0. It is your answer. Otherwise, you can do like this one. Multiply 0.002. You can write 2, 1, 3, 4. How many 0? 1, 2, 3. And here 2 divide 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply 2 into 4, 8, 6, 2, 4. How many 0? 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0.00. After how many 0 in denominator? 7. After decimal, 7 digit. 0, 0, 0. And now 4, 2, 6, 8. Understand it? So it is, you have to remember always this one. Okay? So now we will do question number 1, 2.6. Look at. So understand how to multiply decimal number. Direct you can write, otherwise you can remove decimal, then you can write. But in higher classes we will write direct. Okay? And how will we write direct? Only we will count. There is 3 digit, here is 4. We can write easily. Okay? So now look at question number 1. Question number 1. Now question number 1. Exercise 2.6. Question number 1. I think very easy questions these are. First question, first part. 0.2 into 6. Everyone know how many digit after decimal? 1. So 6 into 2, 12. So it is 12. And after decimal, how many digit? So it is your answer 1.2. Otherwise, you can multiply it. 2 divide by 10 multiply 6. 2 into 6, 12 divide by 10. How many 0 in denominator? 1. So after decimal only 1 digit, 1.2. Or you can write 6 into 2, 12, 1.2. But it's simple also. Okay, you have to do by this method. One more part. Look at it. Sixth part, dear, of one first question. Sixth part. 211 decimal 02 multiply by 4. How many 0 after decimal? How many digits after decimal? 1, 2. So it's very simple. 4 into 2. Otherwise you can do like this one. 21102. And how many decimal? Remove decimal. 100 into 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 1, 4. 4. 8. 100. So you can write 84 decimal 08. Or you can write or direct multiple. 4 into 2, 8. 0, 4, 4, 8. How many digit after decimal? 2. So you can write this one. Understand it? So it is your answer. Understand it? Now we will do question number 5. First we will do question number 5. We can do second question also. Read second question, everyone. What is the second question? Now question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length, everyone know it is a rectangle whose length 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. We have to find its area. So first we will write length of rectangle. Length of rectangle 5.7 centimeter. Next we will write breadth of rectangle 3 centimeter. You should know what is the area of triangle. It is area inside. Total area which is enclosed by boundary. It is area. So we will write area of rectangle angle. What is length into breadth? It is formula in 6th class we have already learned it. 5.7 into 3. Now how many digit after decimal? 1. So we will multiply 3 into 7, 21. 2 is carry. 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 17. So how many digit? Only 1. And it is centimeter square. Okay, square. Always area in square, meter square, centimeter square, kilometer. Okay, it is your answer. Okay, now question number 5. You have to do question number 5 now. Question number 5. So look at question number 5. Part number 3. Part number 3. What is 0.2 multiply it 316.8. How many decimal? How many digit after decimal? There is a 2 decimal number 1 and 2. After decimal 1. 1 digit. Here also 1. So we will multiply 1 plus 1, 2. So you can write, otherwise you can do 2 multiply by, first we will remove its decimal. 2 divided by 10. Now 3168 divided by 10. 2 into 8, 16. 2 into 6, 12. 1 was carry. So it is 13. 1 again carried. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 3, 6. And 100. So it is how many digit in denominator? 2. How many 0 in denominator? 2. So 63.3. It is your answer. Understand it? 1. So you can do right direct also. Okay. Now it's which one part? Last part, 10th part. Rest of part you have to do yourself. 100.1 multiply it 1.1. After decimal how many digit? 1. Here also 1. So after decimal how many digit come in answer? There is 2. So otherwise you can write 1. 10 into 11 divided by 10. Tables are very important. You should be know by heart. Okay, up to 20. 11 ones are 11. 11 into 0. 0 plus 1 carry. 1. 0 into 11. Divide by 10 into 10. 100. So after 2. 1. So you have to do question number 1, question number 2, question number 5 and question number 4 also you can try it and try to example also. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.